bunch of tags in. Jesus, just like your mom.
What? We're proud tag dags.
Motorbike. What do you call like a wheel? Like mud flap things?
Yeah. There is a very gentle balancing act I've got going on here.
This one. That's the one.
I'm such a Jenga. Go.
Why is it pink? I changed my mind now. Oh my god.
No, I guarantee.
No idea what it's for. Obviously it's for something. There's a person somewhere that's like, damn, I need one of those. If you guys know what this is, like and subscribe for part 2. Alright, we're coming back with more.
Of what the hell this is. Sony. It says Sony on it. I feel like I can figure this out. I'm a woman dedicated to the cause. Alright, next.
This one.
Any other one. I'm saving the big ass diamond in case it's something. Why are you so chaotic?
Oh, yeah, this one. This one's fun.
Hold on, Daddy's just opening presents. What? What is it? Is it naughty? Oh, you got tools! Shazam?
Shazam. It's crazy. This is actually pretty sick. Oh my god, this is like the Kid Menace of 3000.
Yeah. Literally attacking our children right now. I'm not opening the window. I'm not opening the window. I'm not opening the window. There's no way.
I didn't do anything.
Menace?
No, I'm not gonna say. It's like more powerful than my Ryobi one. That's all I can think.
I think it's like a binoculars case, maybe? Do we have binoculars? Binoculars! Oh, maybe it's not for binoculars. But they do fit in there. Oh, maybe it is.